Do you want to organize your Elementor page content into neat, collapsible sections? In just 3 minutes, you'll master the Accordion widget from start to finish. First, we'll open your page in Elementor, then add the accordion, configure its items and icons, and polish it with styling and advanced settings. All right, let's start by going to edit your home page with Elementor.
Once you're in the editor, click on General to open up the general settings.
Then, click on Accordion to add the accordion widget to your layout. Now that the accordion is added, click on Items to see the list of content items.
And click on Item Position to adjust where each item sits.
Next up, click on Icon to choose your icons for the accordion. Then, click on Position to set where those icons appear. After that, click on Expand to configure how the accordion looks when expanded. And then click on Collapse to handle the collapsed state as well. Almost done. Click on Style to bring up the styling controls. Finally, click on Advanced for more options. And that's it. Your accordion is ready. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.